Why did the king's crown make everyone sneeze? Once upon a time, a king wore a shiny red crown, but every time he put it on, everyone around him sneezed. People thought it was magic. They tried to solve the mystery. They discovered the crown was made of a special flower that made people sneeze. The king laughed and decided to plant a garden of these flowers. Now every time someone sneezed, they remembered the king's funny crown. And that's why the kingdom was known as the Land of Giggles. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.